YouTube, what's goody? I'm back with another episode of the Box Chevy build. I'm gonna pick up where I left off on the last episode. I'm gonna go ahead and get all the trim put in there. I finally got them lights tinted. I got a new steering wheel and a quick release hub for it. We're gonna see if that'll work off in there. We're gonna put all the lights bulbs in it. It's go time, baby. We're gonna get them doorknobs squared away and get all the glass put in there. And we're gonna get this baby cleaned up because she is dirty. She is dirty inside and out. Like all this stuff that's in there that's not gonna be put back on the Chevy, gots to go. Gots to go. So with that being said, man, let's get straight to the action. Alright, YouTube, I wanted to cut into this little cleaning process right quick to touch on something. Look at this steering wheel, dog. My shit done sat out here and got weathered and just molded. You know, glass, you been getting moisture. Look at the steering wheel, dog. That's the main reason why I got that new steering wheel with the quick release setup. Man, I can't wait to slap her up in the ooh. And that bitch gonna be able to pop right off whenever I want it to. Damn, that's gonna be sick. But yeah, man, I just wanted to cut in on right quick. Show y'all, look at that thing there, boy. That baby look nasty. That's the main reason why I'm cleaning the inside though, cause it's go time. Got that baby nice and cleaned out. A good clean canvas to work on. But yeah, I got that dash as clean as I could. I know I'll probably take that out the car anyway, so I can paint it, or I might paint it while it's in here. So all I'm gonna be painting is the blue, so yeah, I might just leave that in here. It ain't that much. Now with this trunk, no, none of this stuff that's in this trunk go on this car except for like a couple of pieces of rubber. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this the finger snap, and she gonna be clean. Like bada bing, bada boom. And just like that, the trunk clean, baby. The trunk is clean. Alright, so I've been out here for a little second trying to figure out these doors. Alright, I already got this lock put in. I got this door handle working. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Lock the door. No entry. Grab the key. Unlock the door. We got access, baby. Yeah, so got this side handle. Now I'm gonna go ahead and button up the rest of the door handles. I'm gonna go ahead and slap this piece of trim on. I got those clips right there already up there. I got this light over here ready. And this piece of trim, this the little piece that hold the light on. This go in there like that. And then the other piece go on the inside of it, then the light go on. And then this trim connected that. They got 2 screws on the bottom. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and knock these out right quick. It's go time, baby. That lock thing ain't too difficult neither. Once I took my time, looked at it, I see how to do it. I'm gonna try to record it, but I ain't got my lights. I charged my flashlight and left it at home. But let me go ahead and throw this trim on right quick and see what else I can get done. Take the trim. There's a little lip up under here. Make sure that lip catch on both of them. Alright. And got 3 screws at the bottom. You put a little bit more. And I'd rather have that little gap back here and right there. Yeah. I cleaned these up and painted them too. Alright, so you put that through there like that. And you take the other side, the other part. Put it on the other side. Like that. Then you take the light, and put that on it, and then you screw it down. Alright, YouTube, I had a lot of people asking me how to get this off. So it just pulled off. Just like that. It pulled right off. And to get it on, you press it on. Now I'm having trouble with that little piece over there on the passenger side because I already got the window channel in there. So I'm gonna put this side right here on before I even put the window channel in. Save me some fighting, dog. Just like that. I got both of the door handles for the driver's side fit. I just oiled up that mechanism, so hope y'all can see me. But yeah, take the scraper and you just push that lip in. Push it in, push it in, push it in. Just push that lip in all the way across. Same thing going down the side. Alright, so the back door wrapped up, she ready for glass. Oh no, I gotta put the window channel in. Yeah, that's a better view. Alright, you can take that. Make sure that corner up in there good. You just take that, get it up in there, get it up in there. Pull this stuff out the way. Pull that down too, huh? Take that quarter glass, get that up in there. Should fit nice and snug. Make sure she fit nice and snug. Alright, then this piece right here, this piece right here, goes up. Alright. Pull it over to the hole line up. Got a bolt at the top, one at the inside, and one go at the bottom down there. Make sure this thing don't move. Your shit pop right in. All right. Got that back quarter glass in. Alright, YouTube. The driver's side ready for glass, baby. I went and got some self-tapping screws so I can screw that trim in. So I got that screwed on. She ain't going nowhere. Self-tapping. So all the trim around the window is done. All this trim right here that's left go around the doors and stuff like that. So once I get the top done, I slap this on. But yeah, I went to Lowe's, got some self-tapping screws, and I got some new screws to screw in them trim pieces in the front and in the back, and some more self-tappings. So boom, what I'm doing now, here this side ready to throw the glass in. I can go and put the glass in over here. And I gotta put the door handles, the lock, and stuff on the passenger side. And glass will be ready to go in over there. I got all the trim in over there too. Got all the trim in, screwed down, ready to go, baby. Ready to go. But yeah, now I'm about to knock these door handles out right quick and get back to it, so I can get this glass in the Put these door handles on, I'm gonna clean up this glass and put them in the car. Cut y'all back on in a second. Alright, YouTube, so I got the lock. Take the lock, get that baby right up in there. It's gonna be a little struggle. Fresh paint on the car. I put some grease on it to try to help it. Everything lined up. Get on there. Alright. Once you get it lined up, get it on there. Alright. Take the key. Make sure you got it in there straight. Yeah. Put you in there straight. Alright, boom. Another reason why I put grease on it is to help me get that rod in there. Alright, now from the inside, you gotta take this rod right here and get it to go in there. I don't know if you can see it. It's dark as hell in there. Alright, YouTube, this the clip that go on the rod. That's the rod up in there. And it gotta go right in that thing, that hole over there on that on the lock. You gotta put one of these on the back of the lock. I guess it's a retainer clip to keep the lock from coming in and out. That's another reason why I put some grease all over the back of that lock. See if it'll help me slide this up in there. Alright, YouTube. Y'all see the clip on there? A little black piece right there. So what I did was, I got that old trusted Dusty. And I stuck it up in there like that. Stuck it up in there like that. And then I banged it in with the hammer. Clip on. Now, we can see about getting that rod in there. And now we'll see about getting that rod in there. Oh yeah, this went way smoother than the other side. Way smoother. That grease is a must. Now, you fight with this door handle. The rod go right in there. Right in there. Let me switch hands. I need to go get my other camera. Thing. Alright. Get around the weather stripping. Alright, go that way. So, yeah, stick right in there like that. So push it down. Get the weather stripping out the way. Hold on. Alright, stick right in there like that so you can push it up and down. And then you gotta get the top part to go inside that clip up there. Now you ain't gonna be able to see it. Top part gotta go right inside that clip up there. Got it. Alright. the Weatherstrip. See it? Now I'm about to grease that whole motherfucking mechanism right there. Where that PB blast at? I want all that nice and grease. I want that to work flawlessly. You know what I mean? Got springs and shit. Alright, now I just gotta get the clip down over it. It's go time, baby. Cut y'all back on in a second when I get to throwing that glass in. I just want to show y'all that right quick. Alright, we got a little problem. It's hard to access this with this up here. I might have to take this glass and stuff back out to get that door handle put on. Not sure yet, but it ain't no wiggle room in there, and it's already tight enough trying to do it without the glass. I mean, without that with all that stuff in the way. So what I'm about to do, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up these other glasses and go ahead and slap them in the car. Yeah, that's the plan. So let me get busy. Alright, that's the passenger side window. And each window gonna take one of these things right here. Clip right in up here at the top. That's to help keep it lined up in the window channel. So each one on get one. There we go. So yeah, each window get one of them. It's a part number. Not sure where I ordered it at. I probably have all the part numbers linked in the description. I'm gonna have to go through, cause a lot of this stuff I ordered a while back, but I'm pretty sure I got the email so I can find it. I go through and I link it all in the description below. Let me get back to it. So it look like I gotta pump the brakes on the back windows. These clips that I got, it seems like these only fit the front window. It don't line up. It won't fit on. All right, so I'm gonna pump the brakes on the windows. I got the two front windows in. Front windows in. I think I'm gonna have to take that glass out and that middle piece right there just to get the door handle hooked up on that one. Wish I would have did that shit before I put that on there. But all I should have to do is take this out. It shouldn't be hard. Take this out, pull the glass out, put the door handle up there, and put all this stuff back in. All right. So since we had a standstill on the glass, I guess I'll go ahead and try to put this on steering wheel in there. What y'all think about that? Try to hook up this quick release steering wheel setup right quick. Cut y'all back on once I get everything ready. All right, YouTube, your boy got this forever sharp steering wheel that I'm gonna try to replace this wheel with. And I also got the quick release wheel hub. Yes, sir. It come with this adapter right here too. Yes, sir. So those right there, boom. Quick release steering wheel. I mean, forever sharp steering wheel with the NRG quick release wheel hub and an NRG adapter. Let's go. All right, in order to get this off, it's 2 7mm on the back of it. I already don't start it. Taking them off. Let's get this molded thing up out of here, man. All right, 1 7mm. Good thing this window ain't in. Seem like it might be all the way loose. All right, there's 1 7mm, 2 7mm, boom. Then this right here come off. And you gotta just unhook that. That's for your horn. Make sure you leave that where it's at. The other setting. All right. Let me move all this stuff to the side right quick. All right. Now we gotta get that middle bolt off. All right, YouTube. That middle bolt right here on mine is a 21mm. So I'm gonna hit it with the impact. Got that thing right off. I don't know if y'all can see, but it's a groove right there. And then I didn't even bring my steering wheel puller tool. I seen a lot of dudes just wiggle their shit off. But they say put that bolt back up there. Get it screwed down. Okay, there she goes. She came loose. All right, after you wiggle that thing for about 2-3 minutes, you can get it up off of there. All right, this is what I'm anxious to see. I'm anxious to see if this hub, you see that got that line indicating that it's straight. You gotta line that up right with that dot. That's for the horn. Slide it through. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Baby, we got action. We got action. Yes, sir. And you can put that nut back on there. I'm just snugging everything up. This is just for mock-up, know what I'm saying? But that looks sick already. All right. So your quick release hub. Now these wires connect to these, know what I'm saying? But like I said, I'm just doing this for mock-up right now. I connect the horn and all that good stuff once I got the battery in and working. But yeah, there'll go another dot. Line it up with that dot. Screw that thing on there. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. Not too damn hard, boy. All right. All right. All right, got the hub up there. Got the hub up there. And now, take the wheel. Woo! 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 Oh, shit. Oh, that's so sweet. On. Off. Damn, that's sweet. I like it. I like it. I like it. All right, one thing to be noted though, this steering wheel does not fit this hub properly. I'm gonna have to modify it so it can go in there straight. I'm gonna have to drill and tap some holes. Now I could have bought a steering wheel that went to this hub, but I like this steering wheel and I like this hub. But yeah, that's cool as shit, dog. And you just pull that baby off. What y'all think about the quick release setup? Hold on, let me get all this old stuff out the way right quick. But yeah, that forever sharp steering wheel with the quick release hub, dog. Tell me that ain't where it's at, dog. Take the steering wheel out anytime I want to. Tell me that ain't where it's at. Yeah. Oh, I'm feeling it. Yes, sir. But like I said, I gotta modify this steering wheel to get it to fit the hub correctly. Right now I got it with 2 bolts that's lined up. But yeah, she gonna take some tweaking. But other than that, that work, the adapter work, it's go time. If all else fail, I just order an NRG wheel or a wheel that's compatible with the NRG hub. But I should be able to modify that, get everything lined up pretty. She ready to go. Yes, sir. Tell me what y'all think about that. Like, share, comment, subscribe, or y'all hop in the comment section and let me know what y'all think about it. That is mean. One hand. Ooh. Ooh. Steering wheel right off. That's some real race car type shit right there. Ooh. And she got the little ding with her. Ooh. 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 Box coming together, baby. Y'all better stop playing with summer rain. Y'all better stop playing with summer rain. Man. But yeah, like, share, comment, subscribe, man. I'm gonna end the video right here. I gotta figure out what's going on with them windows. I gotta figure out what's going on with them back windows. I gotta order them clips. Yeah. Order them clips so I can get the back windows in. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Tell me what y'all think about summer rain so far. Tell me what y'all think about that quick release setup, man. I like it. I be watching Mike. Bro out there in California, he got a lot of drag car. Bro got like 11 whips, all of them fast as shit. But he got one of them shits on every car, even his truck. So I'm gonna put one on the OBS. I'm gonna put one on both of the OBS. It'd be nice if I could put one in the Charger. But yeah, like, share, comment, subscribe, man. Y'all tell me what y'all think about that quick release setup. Damn, that shit look nice. I'm feeling it, dog. I'm feeling it. Yes, sir. I'm feeling it. But yeah, I ain't get the glass in. On the next video, I probably already had the glass installed, had everything figured out. Next video, she going to the top shop. Well, yeah. Hell, I got the front door. Yeah, I got the, man, she might go to the top shop before I even figure out how to get the rest of that glass in there. I'm gonna go ahead and get online, see if I can order them pieces But yeah, like, share, comment, subscribe, man. Y'all tell me what y'all think about Summer Rain. Baby got that glass in her. Some of it. Got that quick release steering with the got the forever sharp steering wheel with the NRG quick release wheel hub, dog. That shit is sick. That shit is sick, yo. I'm feeling it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But I'm gonna go ahead and upload this video, and when I come back on the next video, she will be going to the top shop. Top shop video. These GoPros be acting weird as hell, dog. Yeah, these GoPros be acting weird. That's the main reason why I had got me a new one. But yeah, like, share, comment, subscribe. Summer Rain coming along, man. I'm gonna keep y'all posted, yo. Got all the trim on them. Got the door handles on. Got the locks on. Some of the glass. Some of the glass. I'm gonna finish on figuring it out though. But yeah, let me get my thumbnail, dog, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. And happy holidays to y'all too, man. Because yeah, I probably won't see y'all until after Christmas. So I'll holler at y'all. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Had to cut y'all back on right quick. I almost forgot to show y'all that. Ooh. Ooh. Well, that baby got the blue emblem up there. Ooh. I got the one for the trunk too. I just got a I ain't got my rivet gun on me. Well, yeah, next video, man, y'all gonna see this baby put together nice and pretty. I probably won't turn the camera on till I got all that stuff buttoned up and she on her way to the top shop. If they don't let me get no footage at the top shop, what I do is, once I drop this off, I go pick up that 6.0 out of the storage and I go ahead and start busting that down. Just so we'll have some content while she off getting the top done. Yes, sir. I'm feeling that forever sharp, well, with that NRG quick release though. Man, if that ain't nice, tell me what is. Man, I like that. Alright, like, share, comment, subscribe. Catch y'all on the next one. I'm out. Alright, got that baby all covered up. It's gonna rain all day tomorrow. And another thing, man, since my last video, I done got over 500 subscribers. So with that being said, if you are a new subscriber, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for hitting that subscribe button. Thank y'all for all the comments. Thanks for running that last video up. She at 20K right now, dog. Thank you. And your boy got some more fire coming. I already done started ordering parts for the OBS. So yeah, stay tuned. That build is definitely gonna be epic. Such as this one. But yeah, like, share, comment, subscribe. I just want to say I appreciate y'all. Much love. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. Your boy coming with some heat. Stay tuned.